Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back on behalf of 30 Day Success Formula. I'm back. A great program, a 4-year program, a direct mail program that's member to member where you receive your payments directly from the person that signs up with you guys. Awesome. They will pay for your first advertising campaign, which is 200 letters, okay? And they will collect on the back end, okay? I haven't found another company out there that will do that. And to back that up, they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, okay? So I had to get involved with this. I'm super excited about it. It's only been 14 days since I've been in the program now. 14, 16 days, something like that. Okay, very short period. I've made a lot of traction. Got several sign-ups in the program. This week, we're looking at, I think I'm at about $1,150 this week in 5 days. Not bad, okay? So, but today, I'm going to put the link below so you can go ahead and join me too. Everybody that joins me, I am going at the level 2 and higher. You're going to get 200 leads from me, okay, on peel and stick labels so that you can mail these out, okay? So I'm going to give you that by joining me, and you're going to get my mailing list companies, okay? I've gotten a hold of a new company. It's not new, but it's new to me, and they have very targeted list of people, okay, that's high ticket, okay, that have purchased high ticket programs and they are interested in high ticket. So I'm going to give that list to you, and I'm going to give you the cover letter that we're using, okay? So real quick, today is Friday, April 5th, okay? Lose track of time. I got 3 packages, okay? I've got one that got stuck, so it'll be coming tomorrow, but I've got 3 today, and I just want to show you some results I'm getting. And look forward to you joining my team. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video, and go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? So let's go through these 3 packages real quick. This one is priority. This is from Micah, from Micah's out of North Carolina, okay? So let's open this one up. All right, so let's see. I don't want to reveal people's information, so that's why I cover this up, okay? So put that one there. So this is the envelope, okay? Let's turn it this way so we don't, this address is on the other side. I don't want to show that, so hang on. Okay. I was looking for the form. Hang on, let me get the form so I can see. Okay, he came in at level 2. Okay, I'm going to cover that and show you that. No, level 3. I'm sorry. He came in at level 3, guys. You see that? Level 3, that's $400. Okay. Welcome, Micah. So let me show you the cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 520s, that's 100. Another 100, 2, 3, 4. That's $400. Okay, from Micah. That's $400. That's one. Okay, let's open this one. We got another priority one. Let's see what this one is from George. Welcome aboard, George. Okay. So that's one level 3. Okay, he put it in this one. Alright, let's see. Alright, good job. Put it in a folder. That's pretty cool. Okay, George is out of Maryland. Alright. Let's see. Level 3, another level 3, guys. I'll show you that one. Level 3. Alright, that's $400. Let's count it out. Oh, nice. 4 $100 Chris dollar bills. Nice. Thanks, George. Welcome aboard. That's $800. And I have one more. I had another gentleman, his package somehow got misplaced. So it'll probably come tomorrow. This is from Canada, guys. Look at that. This is from Canada. All the way from Canada. So yes, we do. You can sign up from Canada. You just have to have a U.S. address, okay? Alright. This is a level 1. My first level 1. Okay, everybody else has been signing up level 2 and higher. So I'm going to cover up his information. Eber, I think is his name. Level 1. Okay, see that? That's level 1. So that's $30. Thank you so much, Eber. Let me show you that. 20 and a 10. Okay, so that was 800 plus the 30, guys. And then I had the 250 the other day. Okay, and then I have another 100 that's coming. Okay, from another person. But that's what we're looking at for today. Alright, so 30-day success formula is the way to go. So definitely get with me, get in this program, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and mail the 30-day success flyer, guys. It definitely converts. This company's been around 4 years, okay, quietly. So they've been doing this successfully, and actually they were high ticket. They just recently started level 1 and level 2. They were always $1,000 level and higher. Okay, so this is nothing new. They just wanted to let the average everyday person get in, and it's affordable now for everybody. Okay, so anyway, subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload new videos. Get with us. 30-day success formula is the way to go. See you guys on the inside. I'll put the link below. You guys have a blessed day.